Hey everyone, let's get to the top flow of the day. Not much, really no news that we had this morning. Tesla got a downgrade. Basically it for some day trades, but not really seeing any option flow that I like. The S&P futures were printing around 4,400 this morning, down about 20 points off the highs. Again, these big stocks that have been leading, your Tesla, your Nvidias, your Microsoft, starting to see some selling pressure today. So instead of getting frisky, trying to time puts, just really not trading. Abbott Labs saw over 10,000 of the weekly 109 calls. Stock is raging higher here. I actually bought some of these. Where are they at now? About 73 cents to about 95 cents right here. Now up to 11,000 of them. So Abbott Labs, not a name you see often. Calls are up $1. The stock is up $1 or 1%. And the weekly calls are up about 46% from yesterday, or from Friday, mark-to-market count in the options. So you can see just a 1% move in the stock price in these low beta stocks can be about now 49% day over day or mark-to-mark move. Compared to a name like, let's say, Tesla or Nvidia, they move 1%. The options aren't going to move at all, basically. So a little lesson right there. Also seeing some Foot Locker, the October 30 call. Saw some weekly calls in Foot Locker too. That's very speculative in anticipation of Nike earnings Thursday. So the retailers, I tried trading that onion shoe and lost money. I'm just avoiding the retailers actually this week, or at least with Nike. Nike, nothing ever gets leaked in Nike. It's too big of a company. Also saw some August 7.5 calls in ENFN. Stock got halted right after these calls. Stock was up 20% in the calls from where the trader bought them. And again, not saying I did because I couldn't get filled. Those calls doubled in the meantime. Stock got halted. I'm assuming some news. And then Exxon saw the July monthly 106 calls. Nice move in these calls. Took some of them. 168,000 a call premium. Exxon on the highs of the day, actually jumping as soon as they bought the calls. A nice move. To be honest, I wish I bought more. Had a nice move in the calls. Already flipped them for a nice day trade, but also saw some weekly calls in there as well in ExxonMobil. Some of the energy names holding up well. Again, with very weak tape, not actively trading. Did some day trades. About 12:30. Plan to go grab some Greek food for lunch.